So this is everything that I've bought for Christmas for Viya. First of all, this little ponies. I don't know the names of this. But yeah, these are the two ponies because she is into ponies nowadays. One of this bag of Paw Patrol. I think I am. Yeah, I have to wrap all this. I'm gonna make one kind of chocolate bouquet with everything. This I have this wooden sticks over here. I have some colorful threads. This what is this called? Angel wings maybe, which has this angel and this stick if you can see, and this is the hairband with two butterflies over here. So I'm going to gift wrap this one because it's huge. You can see this, it's like huge. So I'm going to gift pack this, but I'm going to gift pack everything. This is the matching frock that I have got for her, and this is another t-shirt that I've bought for her, and all this gifts. I'm going to make one hot chocolate, like you just have to pour milk in that mug and you can get into hot chocolate. So I'm going to make kind of this. So that is why I bought these chocolate chips and this little sprinklers so that I can put on the top of it. I'll of course show it to you guys. So let's start packing. So guys, this is my Christmas decorations, and so this is how I've arranged the gifts. This is my little fish pond, fish tank, I would say. These are my fishes. I have two fishes right now. But yeah, I'm gonna tell you the gifts that I've arranged here. See, all the gifts are here. Some clothes in this, the chocolate bouquet and the fairy wing. So here is the list which we have made. Is chocolate Hello Kitty clothes, which I tried but I didn't got. Watermelon and My Little Pony. So she wanted some of My Little Ponies which she didn't have. So I have bought two of that. Also some extra gifts to, like, you know, make up for the Hello Kitty clothes. So this is what my Christmas decor is looking like. I just love it. I just love the vibe. And also I forgot to tell you that I made some hot chocolate like mix in this, some sprinklers, some choco chips and her chocolate powder, so that, you know, at least she will get to drink it, I mean. And yeah, this is my Christmas tree. I have handmade this frame. I have made this, DIY'd this heart from glue gun stick and just pasted some glitter over it. And yeah, these are, and also the hangings behind the tree. There's those little Christmas trees and those strings and pom-poms is all made by me and Viya. We DIY'd it together. So बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. And yeah, so this is the decoration of my Christmas tree, and here are the gifts. I think it's looking pretty good. Also, this is the candle from just a second. Yeah, this is a candle from Home Center. yeah, home center, right. This is also a candle from home center. I'm going to light it tomorrow. So yeah, I've kept it the way. I hope she gets up and get surprised. So yeah, bye bye. See you tomorrow. Good morning. Uta? हे बघ काय? Say good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah. What is it today?
दीदी आणि दादा येणार.
Today is Christmas.
प्रेझेंट आहे का
काय?
आहे का तिथे प्रेझेंट?
बघ उठून आहे का? Say Merry Christmas to Mama.
मेरी क्रिसमस.
किती Merry Christmas. किती Merry Christmas. हे चलो let's go. म्यूट करते मी.
खूप छान आणि काही
How is it? माझ्याकडे बघ.
so cool. And I wanted a fairy costume. It's blue. And also Kinder Joy and chocolate. I got a pinkie pie. माझ्याकडे आहे pinkie pie My Little Pony. हे ओपनच नाही होत. Look at her rainbow dash.
गाठ बसवली तू. हम डॅडाला सांग. डॅडा ओपन कर रे.
Wait. What is this?
What is this?
Paw Patrol. I wonder what's inside. I think it opens. इथे लिहिलं Paw Patrol. हो आणि तिथे आहे मार्शल आणि रग.
सेलोटेप लावली आहे त्याला. हो चल तोपर्यंत दुसरं ओपन कर.
हे बघ मोठं वाला आहे.
It's a t-shirt.
Yeah.
And what about this? Chocolates.
Yes. And this also here.
What is even that?
Chocolate.
Okay.
It's flower chocolate.
चॉकलेट बुके म्हणतात त्याला.
हो आणि तरी पण 2 किंडर जॉय.
माझ्याकडे बघ.
तुम्ही ना खाणार चॉकलेट होय.
मला वाटलंच पाडणार तू. माझ्याकडे बघ ना. आणि त्याला असं ठेव.
आणि ते त्या 2 बॉक्सला लिहिलं रेनबो डॅश.
हम्म.
मला लागतं की रेनबो की पिंकी पाहिजे बघ ना रेनबो डॅश तिथे वंडर बॉक्सने फ्लाय करणार.
Oh, I also want to say.
रॉकी मला मिळणार रॉकी.
रॉकी आणि ती कोण आहे? स्काय.
स्काय. हां ते ना दोघी पण मिळणार पप्स. हो काय वॉटरमेलन नाहीये.
वॉटरमेलन नाही दिलं.
हे चल हो तर तरी पण त्यांचे लेग्स ना मूव्ह करतं. लागतं की नाही हे रॉकीचं वेट आहे.
क्यूट ना.
हो होय. पण स्कायचं नाही होतं. फक्त हे ना मूव्ह करतं. लगेच तर रन करतं. हॅलो किटी क्लोन. पण हे अजून आणि ते उठून उघडायचं.
हे गाइस फाइनली अभी बात कर रही हूँ बिकॉज़ अब जाके मुझे टाइम मिला है बात करने का. पूरा टाइम मेरा आज क्रिसमस में ऐसे ही चला गया एंड आई डिड नॉट डू इवन अ वेलकम टू यू ऑल एंड इट्स ऑलरेडी टाइम टू से गुड बाय. So here's goodbye from my side and Merry Christmas and do subscribe to my channel guys.